She really is lethal as this.
Ese uriya mugore koko ni mubi cyane nkuko babivuga.
Because we left in the swamp.
Baziriya mirambo yabo twasize mu bishanga.
Cock up, Mr.
Umva uriya mugore ni mubi cyane.
Do your duty.
Wekora inshingano zawe.
Round.
Zabu ziraza kuba ari nyinshi.
I don't know, skag.
Cye ntabwo mfite.
Allah.
Rebe.
While you were sucking on your mum's teeth, that skag was a bona fide terror. Had her own
uriya mugore wita ngo ni umuntu uciriritse cyangwa umutuka.
with Connor.
Ni igikoko giteye ubwoba.
Stole his gold and disappeared.
Yataye icyuma kona mwibaza habuze. Bara abantu muziranye mama. Biri muri mu kazi we. Arsel. Ikasige yitwa hano. Mwana rebye hano. Urebe.
We were indentured servants.
Twari abacakara.
They attacked our ship.
Bata ku bwato bwacu.
My parents.
Bica ababyeyi banjye.
I was 12 years old.
Baranshimuta. Bari babakozi boherezwa mu mahanga kujya gukora, bari bagiye gukora muri Amerika. Bisha ababyeyi b'abapirate batatse ubwato bwari bajyanye gukora muri Amerika.
You were raised as a woman on a pirate ship.
None se warezwe nk'umwana w'umukobwa wakure bwato bw'abajuru. Bishoboka bite? Umwana bamwanditse inyuma. Yarakiri muto umwana ari kwibaza ati gute wakurana n'ibisamba. Byabaye ngombwa ko mbundi muntu kugira ngo bamfate, kugira ngo nkurane n'ibyo bisambu. Bindere. Umwana byabaye ngombwa bafata imbunda akiri muto yica umuntu.
Bloody Mary.
Impamvu kwita Bloody Mary. Bamubona ariko yaje gukura umwicanyi ruharwa. Kurura.
Does TH know about your history?
Ese TH yabaza amateka yawe?
Cooking.
Sekeka ko papa w'uyu mwana yanshatse kubera nzi guteka, yanshakiye tekinike. Baby.
Nice and your gut.
Right. Welcome home, Captain Bonham.
Akurino. Yeah.
A treasure.
Ubukungu buhishwe.
That's
Gatabwe. Yana amafaranga y'amaraso.
No.
Yeah.
That is your inheritance.
Iyi ni imirage yanyu. Kandi banumva ko bateganyiriza imirage.
our house.
This gold is marked.
Izi zabu zifite ikimenyetso.
They buried till I was gone.
Zagombaga kuguma hano zitabye kugeza mpfuye.
Damn it, TH.
TH. Umugabo we. Yeah.
This gold belongs to Connor.
Izi zabu ni za Connor.
Everything belongs to.
Atekereza ko buri kimwe ari iki.
Spent half my life with the brethren.
Namaze hafi ubuzima bwanjye bwose.
Like Connor.
Nicyo kintu cyonyine nakwiye kuri Connor.
So you're a criminal.
Zengura umugizi wa nabi.
This criminal is your only hope.
Uyu wita umugizi wa nabi niwe byiringiro byonyine usigaranye wa cyane wagutabara.
Victory is within our reach.
Intsinzi ndi kuyibona sha.
I need to know something.
Hari ikintu cyakumenya.
Speak freely, Mr. Lee.
Vuga wisanzuye Mr. Lee.
With respect, how is your mind?
Mu byubahiro byawe uri gutekereza iki mu mutwe?
Clear as winter.
Ewa ndatekereza neza cyane.
Our mission is still the goal.
Misiyo yacu ni zahabu.
These men,
Bano basirikare
capable
nibo
souls
basirikare bashoboye basigaye
of the world,
mu mpande enye z'isi.
provide them dying to set up
Sinshaka ko bapfa
for vengeance.
bari gupfira guhaza irari ry'uwo kwihorera kwawe.
There's no value
Zahabu nta gaciro zifite
without freedom.
umuntu adafite kwishyura ukizana.
Is our true problem.
Kwishyura ukizana nicyo kintu turi guharanira hano. Icyo gihembo cya nyacyo.
It means to an end.
Bloody Mary agomba gupfa. Eliseri bamwita ngo ni Bloody Mary. Ari hakuri na kure yo zahabu. Yeah. Arabanza sigana.
Bat guano. Stinks.
Biranuka.
It's the smell of greed.
Iyi ni impumuro y'umururumba. Yeah. Umwana yira ikiriye na grenade hano.
Can you both just please
Guys, abe musotse mujye no kureba hanze. Turashize umwana akiriye n'igisasu wabuze gato yaraye. Bana baza ngo bapfa gukina nibyo babonye. Yeah. Bafayo. hano baraza kumenya aho turi bana bagiye baganira. Baby. Yeah. Katururi. Funguye hano harimo imyambaro. Harimo imyambaro. Urebe filime. Arabanza arambara. Fata grenade. Arazirika. Bashimusa umugabo we. Kandi niwe bashaka. Yari yaretse ubuzima bw'amabandi bw'ubwicanyi. Yaribereye umubyeyi. Umuntu aba ari karashika. Akaza kwitomborera umugabo Imana imwihereye. Akaba yibereye umumama w'abana. Ariko ukurikiranye ugasanga uwo mumama wawe shawe. Mu myaka ya kera. Karashika mbi. Uyu nawe rero yariturije.
You to prepare the sails.
Barabizi mugiye kwitegura ku gashya.
When you bring him back,
Turaza kuba twiteguye papa nugaruka. Gora arambaye. Yambariye urugamba. Mama yitacaho.
look after each other.
Mwitaneho.
Certain about this.
Kuko bino bintu ugiye muri shumwa. Mwana we tuza.
Don't touch anything while I'm gone.
Mugira ikintu mukoraho nagiye. Ibintu bye biranaturika twabibonye. Gora agiye kwiyahura mu bagabo. Nibo basirikare bakomeye babagizi ba nabi bindwanya ngo mu mpande enye z'isi. N'abajura bo ku mazi. N'abajura bo ku butaka ni ibintu byoroshye. Aho umuntu kwibira ahantu utabona uko ucika. Bari guhangana nabo yiba, hangana n'imihengeri, hangana ni inyanja, ubundi nicyo kintu kibi cyane. Kwereka ikigabano kiri koga. Gake gake. Rebe. Umugabo afite inkovu hano mu rubavu. Afite inkovu hano mu rubavu. Agira gutya akayikoraho. Kano mutwe. Mutwe. Dore umugabo we.
Boss.
We Vast.
Mr. Scout.
Mr. Scout.
Take a walk.
Mugiye.
My apologies, Captain.
Mutubabarire Captain.
The crew can get carried away.
Hari igihe abasore banje batwarwa.
How many?
Ni bangahe?
How many of your men has he slain?
Ni bangahe mu basore bawe umugore wanje yishe? Va kumucyurira.
Violence.
Urugomo.
Like your native tongue.
Bimeze nk'ari rwo ruri mu mugore wawe yumva rwonyine rw'amavuko.
Call 3 sailors went into her cabin one night.
Ndibuka ijoro rimwe.
Took a sleigh ride.
Abagizi ba nabi batatu bashatse kwinjira mu bwato bwe ngo bamwibe.
Found the best parts of him.
Mu gitondo twasanze ibice byabo by'ingenzi yabibaza yabimanitse. Kumubwira umugore we.
Formidable woman.
Umugore w'igitangaza.
Is that why she stuck a blade in you?
Niyo mpamvu nawe yakujombye inkota se.
To own the truth.
Ukuri kwanjye nkwemeye.
Many a night have I harbored that same quandary.
Nanjye najyaga mbyibaza cyane ibyo bintu.
Vexed me.
Bikambabaza.
For at the time,
Kuko icyo gihe njomba icyuma.
true partners.
Yari umugore wanjye pe.
In every sense of the
Ndetse twakundanaga muri bwa buryo bwose bwiza.
lie.
Urabeshya.
Did she not tell?
Ntabwo umugore wawe yakubwiye ko yari umusheri wanjye se twakundanaga bikomeye.
Mama said not to touch anything.
Mama yavuze ngo nitugire ikintu dukora.
I say that we've earned
Cyenda
a
avuze.
few rules today.
Dufite uburenganzira bwo kugira itegeko twangiza iri joro.
It's her logbook.
Hano baguye kuri logbook ya Moab.
Plans.
Bebe.
Incredible things.
Tubona harimo ibintu bidasanzwe.
Do you believe she sailed the world?
Ese mama buriya koko yazengurutse isi we. Icyo gihe byabaga bigoye. Tangira kubona amafoto yabo.
More than sail.
Ndabona yarakoze ibirenze kuzenguruka isi. Harimo amateka ye. Kumva umugore yabinjiranye aturutse mu mugezi. Turabagizi bana umugore yabaziye. Ndi kumva urupfu mu kirere. Rutangiye kumva urupfu rumeze nk'urwabazengurutse. Ube maso mwana wanjye, ube maso. Yeah. Hari wanaza akantu hano. Rebe. Tangiye kubatega. Ikigabo kivayo. Gake gake. Jye. Aramubaga. Umugore yahageze. Zano. umutwe arakurubana. Umugore n'umwicanyi, umwicanyi, bano bagabo baramutinya. Tangiye kwicakira umwana, kuriye ku mazi ari umupirate. Priyanka Chopra. Yajajajaj. Bebe, chumba mungo ahita mwiba. Gasani. Ndavayo. Aramureka. Beze bite? Namabandi nuka kuminikana. Namabandi. Umugore yumva hano hejuru arabari gucaho. Zamuye gutya. Abona hari ikiri hano gikura y'intwaro y'umukristo. Yejeje. Goto n'umugore n'umugome cyane. Hanapima arahazi kari rimwe. Ndangije byateretswe hano. Ayitavayo. Bebe. Mwotsi ubaye mwinshi mu nzu. Abateza imyotsi yantaravayo. Maye bayanarabica bimworoheye cyane. Arcel uzi ku mugore we. Uri hano. Ya bongeye guhura.
Elizabeth.
Isaac.
Safe.
Bameze baratekanye bari mu buvumo.
I'm sorry it took some of our gold.
Babarire yatwaye izabu zacu. Ndashaka kwishyura muganga nizo babamenyeyeho. Yeah. We hari umuntu tubuze we. Uriya mugore ameze nka Sekibi. Gari mu itsinda rya Sekibi.
Search every bush.
Ushake buri gihuru cyose. Mande zose.
She's close.
Ari hano hafi.
Connor has the only key.
Kana ni ufite urufunguzo rwonyine rwakingura.
What about you and Connor?
Ibyawe na Connor ngo bimeze bite? Ko yambwiye ngo mwakanyujije.
Things happen at sea.
Mu nyanja ibintu byinshi birahabera.
I did to survive.
Ibyo nakoze byose kwari kugira ngo ndokoke.
This changes nothing, mon trésor.
Nubundi ibyo yambwira byose ntacyo byahindura mon trésor. Ntacyo.
My life began the day I met you.
Ubuzima bwanjye bwatangiye umunsi mpura nawe.
The boys, open up!
We will have to trade. Take this just in case.
Kano kagumane njye nawe tugiye kugurana. Yamuhaye akuma. Njye nawe tugiye kugurana. Ndagukunda. Abuze urufunguzo rwafungura umugabo w'amapingu. Rufitwe na Connor. Abaje. Nabinjiye n'imbunda. Umugore aracyari hano ntagapanika. Yeah.
It's out time already.
Captain, we have her surrounded.
Captain, twamuzengurutse.
So ends your ill-fated rescue.
Urakeka kuri buze kure kurwana.
Rescue?
De kurwano.
I just want to watch her kill you.
Ndashaka kumubona ari kubica.
Stay back! You sailors wish to be rich or dead.
Stand fast, gents.
Ni hano.
You, Mr. Lee.
Niwe Mr. Lee.
Faster now.
Ubu nsigaye ndi Quarter Master. Ni iranka.
Always knew you would do well.
Nari mbizi kuzabikora neza.
Always knew you were wicked.
Nanjye nari mbizi kuri umuntu mubi cyane.
These red asses know what they signed up for.
Ese bano baginga mwazanye kumiga bazi ibyo biyemeje kwishoramo.
Apprehend the rogue.
My pleasure.
We mufatiyo ninja. Kimwegera umwana aramuturitsa. Amoje ati bano bantu mwazanye kumiga mwabasobanuriye bashe guhiga. Cyangwa mwabashutse. Dasa.
We all fall.
Nimpfa mwese turapfana.
Ashes.
Yavayo.
All down.
Ifu kwifu twese n'ubundi turapfa.
Did you miss me, darling?
Waronkumbuye shu.
Want this or not?
Aye. Slowly.
Gake. Bazana umugabo we. Agiye kubaturitsa mwereka sheri we sheri.
Old gentleman. Notorious Bloody Mary.
Icyamamare Bloody Mary.
To a fishwife.
yabaye umugore w'umurobyi we.
Not my name.
Cyo ntabwo ari ryo zina ryanjye.
Oh, have you forgotten your real name?
Wibagiwe izina ryawe rya nyaryo?
The one on the manifest?
Rya zina.
I know it.
Darius, ndikubwire.
I know everything about you.
Si buri kimwe kuri wewe. Koragira rya. Hari zahabu ngo yabibye arazibereka. Barazibona bazibonesha amaso. Mumuzane. Mumuzane.
Get your filthy hands off me.
Yeah.
Well, Captain. It's been a pleasure.
Byari byiza kuba nari ndi kumwe nawe. Happy.
Oi, Bowden. Why don't you take a couple of bars?
Kuki udafatamo?
Crew.
Tuzabo nka tubira ubundi.
Eyes on me.
Deba.
Now, darling, to our other business. Matter of your betrayal.
Bitewe n'uburyo uri umugambanyi wa mugore we.
How shall we balance those?
Ni gute rero twakwizera?
I took what I was owed.
Njye natwaye ibyo nari nemerewe.
I found you. You were a weak little
Never
girl.
weak.
Bound
Ubwo nakoraga wari akanyantege nke sinigeze mu munyantege nke.
Englishman's brothel.
Nagusanze bakujyanye gukora mu nzu z'indaya z'abongereza.
Powerful and strong.
Ndagukora nkugira umunyembaraga.
You stabbed me in the ribs.
Urangije uncumba icyuma mu mbavu uranyiba. Babarire.
I was aiming for your heart.
Bare ko nakujombye icyuma mu mbavu nari ngamije gupima ku mutima. Mvizo mbabaza ariko. Bare ko nakujombye icyuma mu mbavu ngo nari nagambiriye gutera mu mutima. Biregeranye.
Remedy. With your bandy-legged boy.
Nabonye akana kawe kakamuga bayita umugabo arakara mutuciye umwana ngo nabonye akana kawe kakamuga uyarabanza baturitse we muzane ziriya zahabu we muzane zahabu sasu rebe umugabo Ersal rebe uyarabaturitse umugabo agwa hakurya do uyabarimo hano hari sniper kuraye inkota ari kurwana n'umugabo w'indwanyi cyane bebe mugore bamutayemo ikigabo cyaramubaze inkota arayifatira mubaga mu ntoki bebe shyira mu irenza mugore hano mushyira inkota ku mutima buretse demeye shyize n'inkota ye hasi.
Your quarrel is with me.
Ikibazo gifitanye nanjye
Jimby.
mureke shyize inkota ku mutima.
I'll do anything you ask.
Ndakora icyo nsaba cyose.
Between the ribs.
Hagati y'imbavu se wanjombye inkota se.
That's how it's done.
Ko bigomba gukorwa. Umugore baramurasa. Umugabo bahitamo umujomba nawe hagati y'imbavu ni ku mutima ubwo. Si wanje. Montrezor. Ko bitana. Umugabo bamushyizemo. Ijwi ryanjye. Ndi kumwe nawe. Yeah. Yeah.
You think I'll just let you slip away?
Kurino. Yeah.
Why did you betray me?
Kuchwangambaniye.
Why couldn't you just take the fucking gold?
Kuki udafata zahabu ngo ugende?
Just to pay my crew.
Zahabu zari zo kwishyura abakozi banjye cyangwa se kuru yanjye.
I came for
Ariko njye cyanzanye cyanyacyo.
is the bounty on your head.
Nicyo bagushyize ku mutwe bazishyura umuntu uzazana umutwe wawe ni igiki? Mugore ahita ashumika. Bebe. musubire inyuma we, musubire inyuma. Umugore ahita amanukamo hano, yari yateze za zamu na zamu zazizi, ni igisasu. Umugore ahise amanuka do mu miferege ahita acaho, asize abaturikije. Yeah.
Listen to this.
Vakano.
TH was a dockhand.
TH yakoraga mu bwato, bahurira hano Cayman Black
and hiding after stealing the gold.
Mu bwisho yari arimo amaze kwiba zahabu.
Getting her way free from Connor's fleet.
Yaravuye mu bwato bwa Connor. Cyose arabireba. Bana bari gusoma amateka ya mama wabo mu gitabo. Yarasanzwe.
August 12th.
Tariki 12 z'ukwezi kwa munani.
Stony Island is a paradise.
Yageze ku karwa gatonya kamubera nka paradise ariko kakanariho. Akimara kuva mu mabandi.
I am finally free.
Mubyibura mbayeho nishyira nkizana.
Here, I shall forge
hano ngiye kuhatangira ubuzima bushya.
a new purpose.
Mpagirira intego nshya.
A name to Ursa.
Yahinduye izina rye yitwa Ersel. Yitwaga Nemberes. Izina wabasha kurisomara? Ya. Yeah. Hari izina ngo yitwaga mbere ryabananiye kurisoma atariyita Ersel. Ava yagiye ari muzima agarutse acumbagira. Agarutse asa nk'ibishyimbo byapfubye no guhagarara byanze. Ari guhangana n'amabandi. Gusa havuye asize hatwitse arimanukira. Yisha abantu. Yisha umuhungu w'iki kigabo. Gorara bakubise itayimanukira ngo bari bazanye indwanyi za mbere. We bino ni ibiki? Bari kwibaza ikibabayeho. Ni ibiki yari yashize mu gikapu?
Our mission.
Misiyo yacu.
Our mission was the bars of gold.
Misiyo yacu yari zahabu.
Now blown to dust.
Ntago ari uguturitsa ibintu byose.
Not your sick obsession with the...
Ntago icyatuzanye ari uburyo uriya mugore yagusajije. Vuga gake.
the gold.
Tubuze zahabu.
That's the bounty.
Tubuze n'amafaranga bamushyizeho.
Boy is gone.
Umuhungu wanjye arapfuye. Ntacyo apfiriye.
And I will not throw another sailor's life into the job.
Ntabwo ndibuze kohereza undi musirikare mu maso.
Madness.
Mu rupfu hejuru y'ubusazi bwawe. Ubusazi.
That cut leaf muddled your brain.
Niki cyakwangirisha ubwonko?
Perspective.
Hari ikintu utari kubona neza. Quartermaster.
Boy.
Uzana umuhungu wanjye.
Take our fallen to the ship.
Mubajyane mu bwato.
Deserve a proper burial.
Bakwiye gushingurwa neza.
Order.
Iryo tegeko mwirikurikiza.
Assemble the remaining crew.
Ngiye gufata abasore basigaye.
How to proceed.
Dutore n'iki kigiye gukurikira.
This campaign is over.
Campaign yo guhiga n'umugore irarangiye.
It's mutiny then.
Arasa mu kirere. Usuzuguye rero inzego ubwo. Igihano urakizi iyo usuzuguye umuntu kurusha ipeti.
All these years.
Iyi myaka yose.
In the back.
Wari ugamije kundasa mu mugongo kwera ndi kugenda. Yeah. Tamumenya. Yeah.
Haydi. Kitotu.
Sanga abakurambere bawe sha aramumena. Tamumena. Rebe. Yeah.
Our dear quartermaster was unable to see the true value of bloody men.
Quartermaster wacu ntabwo yabashaka kubona agaciro kuri mugore turi guhiga. Imyaka yo kuba abajura bo ku mazi yararangiye.
Mind has been betrayed.
Ubwoko bwacu bwaragambaniwe.
We who ran the waves red for king and country are now branded as criminals.
Ubwami bw'Abongereza budufata nk'aho turi abagizi ba nabi.
We filled their coffers. Built their...
Twabahaye buri kimwe. Twabafashije kubaka hirya no hino.
Alas, their modern world no longer holds a cord.
Bifuze ngo iyi si nshyashya turi kwinjiramo abajura nkatwe ntago izatwihanganira. Igihe cyageze bano bajura barabica barabamara. Bano bari abanyu.
The Isaac is worth more.
Bounty iri kuri uriya mugore irenze zahabu. Bereka igipapuro.
I hold here a decree from 3 empires.
hano mfite igipapuro cy'abami batatu
Bloody man,
cyangwa se cy'ubwami butatu
time pardon.
nituramuka twishyuriye mugore cyangwa tukamufata tukamujyana ari muzima
Rone.
baratubabarira ibyaha byose twakoze tukiri amabandi ntabwo bazatwica
Washed away
ubwami butatu
out of law.
amategeko araza kuduhanaguraho ibyaha byacu
To sail the seas like conquistadors.
ndetse turabwa ubudahangarwa bwo kujya dukorera mu nyanja nk'ibisanzwe iyo ni indahiro mbahaye bibi ndahira abahaye
But
ariko
do I have yours?
ese namwe mu mpaye indahiro yanyu
Vagrants of the sea, cast asunder,
ese turacyari amabandi yo ku mazi
Ma-
aciriritse cyatura umuntu umwe buno
and with kings
akaboko kamwe
by one captain
tuyobowe na kapiteni umwe
to your corrupt soul.
ufite intego yo gutabara ubugingo bwayo rebe Bertas Libertas rebe ni amabandi ye muze umugabo hari ako yakuyeyo agatamika bano bagiye guhiga uriya mugore ya babanje kurya bya mayirungi sibyo ya yeah turashize
What happened? I failed you.
naragutengushye naragutengushye
Your father is gone.
papa wawe yagiye yeah yeah Captain!
Lads, I have as many friends in hell as you do.
Tinya inshuti nyinshi kuzimu Bebe Akurino
They're gonna find us.
baraza kutubona
They're gonna kill us.
Did you really do all these terrible things?
bino bintu byose birimo no gukora bikoze
Yes,
yego
I'm all that they say I am.
tuwo bavuga ko ndi we ndetse nkabana mubi cyane kurusha ukuri kubisoma mu bitabo
That might be. But you are also a mother,
ariko uri n'umubyeyi
a sister.
ndetse uri mushiki w'umuntu
Right now, we
muri
need
kano kanya
all of you,
turagukeneye
or we will not live this night. Is this your real name?
iri niryo zina ryawe rya nyaryo
He took everything from you.
yagutwaye buri kimwe uriya mugabo
It's time to take it back.
nicyo gihe ngo tubyisubize bana baramushyigikiye
It's only a matter of time till they find these caves. We have to survive.
kanya kadatinze baraza kuba bamaze kumenya buno buvumo
Signal fire.
urebe
Why not light it now?
Day is the best chance for the British Navy to track the smoke.
What if they don't make
iki nicyo gihe cyiza cyo kugira ngo abongereza babashe kuba bakurura umwotsi bamenye ari kubera ibibazo kari hano kino kirwa cyabaga kiyobowe n'abongereza
If Connor follows,
ningenda ko
they
narankurikiye
end with the sand soaked in
njye
his.
ntabwo nacika nonaha intambara yanjye rero irarangira amaraso yanjye cyangwa ye ari yari mu mucanga
I need to prepare.
mugende mfite kwitegura
You don't have to do everything yourself.
ntabwo ari ngombwa ibintu byose ubyikorane
Mama.
You do exactly as I say, and no back chatting. I never backed
mva mukora ibyo mbabwiye apana gushaka kwikoreshereza ngo ubwenge bwanyu ngo murarenze.
them carefully.
Urebe
This place was built as a stronghold.
hano hantu hubatswe nk'ahantu h'ingenzi
Our family, if the past ever
kugira
came.
ngo harinde famiye yacu hazaza hayo n'ahahise byose.
I know this bluff inside and out.
Hano hantu hose mpazi imbere n'inyuma,
Every choke point.
buri kantu kose ndakazi, mbega yabasha kuharwanira. Tugiye kubazanamo hano
Split them up
tubatandukanye,
and wait for a clear shot at Connor.
tegereza ahantu heza ho kurasira kona. N'umugore no bluff arayizi neza kurusha. Urebe
Become soldiers.
ijoro mwabana mwe mugiye kuba abasirikare, mama bageze abasirikare.
Distract.
Mubarangaze,
Defend.
mwirwaneho,
Destroy.
mubarimbure. Urebe abana atangiye kubatoza, batangiye gutega utuntu tw'udutegotego,
They came.
bakandakana kariya,
Bloody Mary.
baraza baje kureba Bloody Mary,
Bloody is what they're gonna get.
ariko amaraso niyo bari bubone gusa. Urebe
Blood on the vine.
yeah.
Captain.
Captain ari we mukire mwabakinga baje
Dead or alive, gentlemen?
ari muzima cyari umupfu, ariko mushaka
If anything happens,
ntiyagira ikiba,
take the catboat and sail to the big island.
ufata ubwato buto mujye ku kirwa kinini, mujye kureba gutabaza ubwami bw'abongereza.
You know the charts, you know the currents.
Umva uzi gukoresha ubwato, uzi kubigendera byose, ariko inyanja ijya ihinduka. Inyanja nta muhanga w'inyanja, nta muhanga wa
You could stand. You're a born sailor.
wa mwana wamenye kugashya mbere yo kumenya guhagarara. Ndakwizera kuri buze kugashya. Umwana agomba kujya kugashya agahamagara ubwami bw'abongereza bugatabara. Byabaga ari ibirwa nyine biyobowe n'abongereza, ariko nyine ari bya bintu bavuga ko karakarwa nako kari kubongereza, ariko atari ukuvuga ngo barahahora. Ahita kinga.
Fan out, lads. She's in here somewhere.
Mushaka arimo hano baje. Yeah.
Turn that winch.
Gabi arabumva arisekera gake gake.
Open it. Ready?
Yeah.
I see you.
Gabi.
You blackguards wanna play?
Gabi. Va masasu. Duceho. Abana bavayo. Yasa gucana hano bahateze umwana co. Yasize acanye ibigabo byaje. Twigendere. Kiri ku muryango. Hasi. Yeah. Yeah. Baby. Arabatwitse. Urebe. Yeah. Urebe. Mugabo afite igipimo. Urebe. Kona. Bawuza ari abasheri harimo n'akantu kishaza.
Come and die.
Muze mupfe.
Let's go. What about Mama?
Let me look.
Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Kigabo. Amufite we. Mwana kijomba icyuma mu kaboko. Kijomba icyuma mu kaboko twagiye. Utwana. Utwana. Yeah. Baby. Gake. Hey. Yeah. Yeah.
Let's go, let's go! I'll be right.
Genda utangiza ubwato ndaza nyuma.
Isaac, go!
Genda utangiza ubwato Isaac. Hakurya hasi. Yeah. Saza umwana yishe umuntu. Yeah. Iki ntabwo ari icyawe wa muginga we akimukuramo iki cyuma ntabwo ari iki wagira ngo bari bakimwibye. Yeah. Hey. Akurino yari kubitira mu mwijima mu myotsi mwijima mugore kubitira mu mwijima kugira ngo ni ninja kandi kuko ni nayo do mwijima bakubitimirira cyo kubitira vuze ngo bluff ayizi kubarusha ngarayizi kubarusha. Yeah. Baby. Gake. Yeah.
Grand.
Bloody
Grand.
It's just us now, darling.
Ubu ni njye nawe gusa darling. Bandi menye abamase. Ni babiri basigaye. Aba expired.
We step into the light.
Kuki utareka ngo tujye mu rumuri hanze?
Settle this. Like bucket.
Turangize bino bibazo byacu. Umwe apfuye cyangwa yemeye.
Auntie, look! She did it!
Yabikoze bwarakeye bubakereyeho bararwanye bubakeraho.
Smoke in the wind.
Uyavayo.
Last man I expected to call the
Niwe
guy.
muntu wa nyuma narinzi ko utahamagara Abongereza. Acanye no muriro bivuze ngo uyu muriro ugiye guhamagara ubwami bw'Abongereza ni nko gutabaza.
Let them come.
Bareke baze.
They'll find an island harboring a wanted criminal.
Baraza gusanga iki kirwa kiri umugizi wa nabi bahiga.
Valiant crew that died. Bringing her to justice.
Ndetse basange n'abantu benshi bapfuye bari guhiga uwo mugizi wa nabi ngo bamushyire amategeko. Bebe nambara iratangira.
Stings, eh?
Bebe. Hey.
Stings, huh?
Urebe. Uraycyuma. Uretse. Do. Cyuma. Uri filime. Kiramubaga. Arakijomba. Ye. Mutwegege. Uburinganire. Uburinganire. Kuramenyo. Abagabo bararakari gukubita umu ex we Emera. Manika amaboko. Eva. Umugore ati sinshobora. Yeah. Baby. Kurayo. Do. Mugore. Kukigabo. Kubita umu ex. Kubita ex. Yejeje. Aba ex bahuye bari kurwana batababarira we. Hari mishaza ryinshi. Baby. Emera manika. Yeah. Hagati y'imbavu bariho njomba ariko sinamanika amaboko ngiyeho kugira ngo nemere napfa.
May the heavens
reka ijuru
pity on you.
basize rikugirira imbabazi. Ijuru rikugirira imbabazi. Giye kujomba hari uwamurashe. Giye kujomba hari umwana warashe. Umwana yarajyari. Umugore aramuhagurukana. Urabe barajombana. Barahanye. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Can you stop? It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. Got you. It's all right.
Katurori.
Thank you.
Urakoze.
You're my sister.
Umuvandimwe wanjye.
You're all right. Myself.
Mariam.
My name.
Mazina yanjye.
Mariam.
Banyita Mariamu. Mariamu burya ni ryo zina rye. Ni umusiramu we. Mariamu yiba Mariamu se ko bakunze kuba. Oya nitwa Mariamu. Undi bakunze kuba ari amasado. Hakuri no. Sado na hano. Kumba umwana arebye muri bwa bwato yagiyemo harimo zahabu. Kana bari bakoresha bakajya gutabara. Zahabu zose niko kari kazifite mu bwato. Zahabu yavuze ko ari imirage y'abana. Kwereka ikirwa inzogera zarongereje iravuga bamenye ko ibintu bimeze neza. Umwotsi wari wazamutse mu kirere. Ikirwa cyabo cyari kimereye neza. Bari abapirate bagize banaye batarahagera. Kwereka ko umwotsi wari wazamutse. Igisirikare cy'abongereza cyahise kivayo. Ibuke buno bwami bw'abongereza buri guhiga no mugore. Yabonye buri kuza. Bivuze ngo ubwami bw'abongereza niba buri kumuhiga ushobora kuzashiduka n'igice cya kabiri kikugezeho. Nje banyita Kimomo ndaje turere n'izindi filime byihuse cyane.